What's up? We're in the Brunswick, George Street and Liberty right here, right by the George Street State Theater right there. So 6:45 p.m. The weather is amazing. It is 82 degrees right now. Whoa! So yeah, great day for the weather. So let's stroll around here downtown. Let me see, little big guy, I didn't plug him in, but he should be okay. Let me plug little big guy in. I forgot to do that. There we go. So we got little big guy plugged in. So let's stroll around. And this is like, they have like this cool sign over here. Limerick, Ireland. It says how far these places are. Japan, how many miles, if you can see that across the street. That's pretty cool. Let's go. So we're gonna walk through over this way. Great weather, a lot of people out and about right now. And we have a little bit of time for daylight. And we got maybe a good 45 minutes or more of daylight, which is super awesome. So let's go. This is the downtown. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go. We got some Mexican restaurant right there. The Fat Cactus. Okay, let's go.
I'm here.
Got the Popeyes over there. I see a lot of restaurants come and go over here. I guess it's hard because of the parking. That might be the biggest drawback, the parking over here. So yeah, when it comes down to it, not so easy to park when you're picking up food or going to the restaurant. It's more of a walk-up kind of thing here. And this would generally be the best time of the year for them, some around here. Well, a lot of construction going on down here. That's pretty awesome, pretty wild. Let's go.
Like I looked at that, I was like, oh. And like either I
I know. Yeah.
But don't
I
you
know.
have like a plan?
Well, like.